Assalamualaikum beauties and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am finally going to show you all how to become a UGC content creator, how to get a branded PRs and tools I use to shoot my UGC videos. For this you need to know what is UGC. UGC basically stands for user generated content, which we creators make in the form of videos, photos or a review based content. How to start a UGC? To start a UGC you need to pick a niche, whether you are a beauty creator, fashion creator or a lifestyle creator. For example, if you're a beauty creator, make whatever beauty products you have or make a videos on them and upload it on your page. The thing is you need to be consistent, like posting daily on your page and adding stories to your page, and engaging with your co-creators might provide you more engagement and a better reach. Third thing is quality videos, like a good lighting is needed and a clear voice, and basically natural lighting is the best thing to shoot in a clear background, which will provide your videos a minimal aesthetic look. Next thing is adding relevant tags, adding proper hashtags related to your videos, adding call to actions and a catchy hooks might provide you more better engagement and more followers, or brands might reach out to you. Next thing is tools I need is basically I use a phone, tripod and a light, and tools I use is this selfie stick cum tripod stand, which I got for rupees 250 from Meesho. You can use this as a tripod stand, and this can extend up to the level of 11 or 12 inch. This also comes with a Bluetooth connector so that you can shoot, and the best part is it has two different light modes to shoot in a dark place. Next thing is this micro lens, which I got from Amazon for rupees 300. This one I used to shoot for all my texture shots, minimal and close-up shots. This is how it looks like. Both of these are travel friendly and very convenient to use, and I'll show you all the product links in the description box below. Next one is this tripod stand with a ring light. This is for 5.5 inches tripod. It has a ring light and you need to connect this to your adapter, which will give you a very convenient videos. Next thing is a tripod which I am shooting is from this Amazon Basics. This was for rupees 329. Also comes with a ring light, which also has the 3 different modes of lights, and this is the only tripod which I use to shoot all my YouTube videos. Next thing is how to edit your videos. I usually use some of my favorite editing apps to edit my videos, which are a CapCut, VN, InShot and basically Canva for my YouTube thumbnails. At the next video I'm going to be sharing you how to get a branded collaborations. So stay connected and subscribe to my channel and follow me until then.